Hey and welcome back. So what about if you want to use your own images? Well, as you can see here, I've got loads and loads of images from my existing video game, the wiki. Now what I want to do is perhaps I want to add a new image to my system and I want it to be indexed automatically. This is where this comes in really handy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an image. I'm just going to select one. I'm not going to select too many, because if I select one it won't take too long, right? So choose files. Here we go, and then I'm just going to select which one I want. So I've already got all of these to choose from, so I'm just going to choose, I think this guy's sitting in the chair just here seems ideal to me. A little bit high res actually, so I'll choose one a little bit lower res. Wow, I don't actually have many low res ones. Okay, well we'll just have this one. There we go. And I'm going to click upload, but before I do, I can also do a few other things if I want to. So I can choose to have the caption at the bottom, the top, or none. Okay, and what this will do as well is this will caption the image, which will basically stick some text on it when I'm making some variations of this image. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click upload. There we go. So this took about 15 seconds because it's a 4K image, and you can see here it says it's a 4K image. This is the raw file name here. So for long, it's given me a towering lighthouse stands illuminated against the night sky next to an industrial building with pipes, blah blah blah. Short, lighthouse at night. It's also given me a load of tags for this, so I don't need to tag it myself, which is important. I can recaption it though if I choose to, or I can also preview it. And if I click preview here, you'll notice that I've got all these different formats. Now ignore these two because I've got them turned off at the moment, but I've got various different formats here, including this one here for caption story. If I just open that up, you can see here that this one is in fact captioned at the bottom with just lighthouse at night. Okay, so a simple description of what it is, but this is customizable as well, so we can change the caption just by putting it in the text box at the bottom. Now the good thing about this is that it means that we can basically mark our images if we need to and do all sorts of things like that. But we also have all these different sized variations here. So LinkedIn, for example, is a different size to the Facebook, which is a different size to the Instagram, which is a square, and so on and so forth. And all of them have the captioning on them. And with this caption now, when I use articles on social media or anything else that needs a caption, an image, it will just work. So works out the